babaeng yan.
Yeah, why don't you tell her, Dave? Para manahimik na yung babaeng yan. Maasa pa kasi yan.
Please. Both, shut up!
No, Dave! Explain everything to me! Ano sinasabi ng babaeng yan? Ha? Dave, you can't do this to me. May chance pa tayo, di ba? We can still work things out!
I don't think so.
Ulunti ka! Ulunti ka! Ulunti ka! Ulunti ka! Ulunti ka!